Yes, my guys, over you. Today, going to show you expert advisor for boom and crash spike trading. So let's watch. The expert just placed the sale trade on crash 500. This is totally automatically trading. Now look here, waiting for a spike. Okay, guys, a trailing stop also set by robot. So here is the spike. Now waiting, the robot will take profit and also close the trades. This is all automatically. You just need to set up this robot and wait for profit. Look here, the market is giving spikes continuously and the robot is holding the trade with a sale trade. Look here, a big spike appeared there and the robot is still holding the trade. This is totally automatically. Again a spike and the robot is still holding the trade. Look here, a lot of spike there, continuously a sell trend you can see started there and the robot is still holding the trade. So this is the power of this robot. Totally automatically trading. Okay guys, you just need to set up this robot on your account and go make profit using this robot. This robot will open trades, set trailing stop, take profit and all things by itself. This is a very good and very awesome algorithm by this robot. And look here, continuously milking the market, the sale. Look here, a lot of profit and good benefit from this robot. If you don't have knowledge of milking market spikes, go and purchase this robot, set on your account and make awesome profit using this robot, cause this is an automatic spike trading machine and this robot will make awesome profit for you. Very good, intelligent algorithm, expert advisor. So go purchase, make money and enjoy the profit. Look here, the robot still holding the trade and making awesome profit. Look here, big spikes on way.